Hi friends, in today's lesson we will have a look at the physical quantity length. Let's kick in. Let us first see what we understand by length. Length is basically the distance between any 2 points. In practice, we can measure the length of almost anything, starting from the length of a bridge to the length of an ant. Have you ever thought about how our ancestors carried out their daily measurements? They had to get imaginative to carry out these tasks. They mostly used body parts. Let's have a look now at some different body parts they were using. The first one is the cubit. It is the distance from our elbow to the tip of the middle finger, as shown in the diagram. They also use the palm, which is the width of the hand. The fathom is the measure from the left hand fingertip to the right hand fingertip when your arms are fully stretched. The hand span is the distance measured by a human hand from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. Body parts, however, do cause some inconvenience. In our next slide, we shall discuss more on this. Firstly, body part measurements are not accurate when dealing with fractions of body parts. And secondly, body parts vary from one person to another. The inconvenience of body parts was solved with the introduction of SI units. The SI unit of length is the meter, and the subunits are millimeter, centimeter, and kilometer. We invite you to check our previous lesson on SI units. Now, these units are used worldwide nowadays to measure length in different situations, illustrated in this slide. Let's have a look at these different illustrations. Here we see how to convert from subunits to meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.001 meter. Let's see some practical examples. 1 kilometer is about 10 times the length of a football field, and 1 centimeter is about the width of a fingernail. If we look very closely at 1 centimeter on our ruler, we will see it's divided up into 10 tiny intervals. Now let's make it bigger to see these little intervals. Each one of these tiny intervals represents 1 millimeter. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. In this slide, we will have a look at the different instruments used to measure length. The first one is the ruler. Then we have the meter rule. And finally, we have the measuring tape. Let's now tackle some questions. How long is this pencil? Do we agree it's 7 centimeters? Okay, let's continue. How tall is this stack of books? Did you say 13 centimeters? Good. What is the most appropriate unit to express the length of a car? Yes, the meters. Let's proceed with another multiple choice question. What is the most appropriate unit to express the distance between Brazil and Cupid? Kilometers, of course. I'm sure you got it right. One centimeter is about as big as a sausage, a fingernail, a car, or a book. Yes, a fingernail. Now, let's have a look at some other questions. Which is longer? 1 meter or 105 centimeters? Yes, 105 centimeters. Second one, 4 kilometers or 4,400 meters? Yes, 4,400 meters is longer than 4 kilometers. The third one, 12 centimeters or 102 millimeters? 12 centimeters, of course. A last one, which is longer, 1,200 millimeters or 1 meter? Yes, 1,200 millimeters. Correct. How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? Of course, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. What is the length of the blue line in centimeters? Did you get 3.3 centimeters? Good. Let's proceed. What is the length of the same line in millimeters now? If you've done your conversion correctly, you should get 33 millimeters. Let's have a look at the things we tackled in this presentation. We first encountered a brief history of measurement of length. We then found out about its SI unit and the instruments used to measure length. Hope you've enjoyed this video, kids. See you next time for more fun.